Hey everybody, today is January 14th, 2014. It's me Digitronic and I'm back with another iPad app review video. So do you have a bit of a crazy mind? Have you ever wanted to experiment with dangerous things? Did you ever ask yourself what will happen if I put this object or that object in the microwave and then turn the microwave on? Well, I highly recommend that you do not try that at home because it's highly dangerous. However, there is an app for you and it's called Microwave It HD. Right there. So, when you open the app, this is what you get. A microwave with working buttons. You can buy expansion packs, I'll explain that to you in a second. And there's the timer that shows the time. Load items, so you want to put objects in the microwave and see what happens if, turn the microwave on. Alright, let's try some aluminum foil. And let's start. Damn! Alright, so these are the items you can put in the microwave. And there's an expansion pack you can buy that has more items. Let's try the light bulb. And let's try it for 1 minute. Start. I guess, the time doesn't matter. It has a preset time for each one. Let's go back to load item. You can quickly see what the items are. And of course, get more items. This is where the expansion pack comes in at 99 cents. And these are some of the items in the expansion pack. Just give you some time to read that if you want. Okay. Now let's try loading one more item just to see what happens. Let's try soap. Alright, well, there you go. It's a very interesting app. Again, it's called Microwave It HD. Not Microwave HD. That's, I guess they had not enough room to write the whole name. It's Microwave It HD. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Twitter.com/DGtronic. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on YouTube.com/DGtronic. Give me suggestions on what you would like to see. If you're an app developer for iOS or Android, drop me a line at jobs.videoman@gmail.com. Give me a promotional code for your app. I will download it and do a review video on it. Same goes for if you are a gadget developer or you make accessories for technology, for gadgets. Drop me a line at jobs.videoman@gmail.com. We'll discuss how you can send me a review unit for me to do a video on. I'll see you in the next video.